Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need Qgis installed and closed, and you should know your Qgis version and operating system. Once ready, open Qgis and go straight to Settings, then Options. Make sure you're on the General tab. You're changing the application language, not your OS yet. Select the language drop-down to view available locales. If you don't see your language, you may need to install translation packs. Follow these first steps deliberately so the change applies correctly when you restart. Now you choose the language from the language drop-down and click Apply or OK. This writes the preference to Qgis settings. Once done, fully quit Qgis and relaunch it so the translation files load into the interface. After restart, inspect core menus, toolbars, and panels to verify the switch. Make sure plugin text also appears translated if supported. If some strings remain in the original language, that indicates missing translations rather than a settings error. To finalize, install any missing translation packs for your OS or use the Qgis installer components. This fills untranslated strings. If the interface layout breaks or plugins misbehave, return to Settings options and switch back to your previous language, then restart. As a final troubleshooting tip, reset your user profile or clear Qgis cache if issues persist. This removes corrupted settings. You'll regain a stable UI and can reapply language changes carefully, verifying plugin compatibility each time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.